Shane, did you come here of your own free will to find yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
I want to congratulate the both of you. Kasi, not everyone is blessed. And is blessed and privileged to find their other half.
Never give up. Diba? Never give up. Kung ano man, kasi hindi naman mawawala yung mga pag-aaway and such. But basta, never give up and magstay kayo as married. Happy married couple is yung magkaroon kayo ng third party. Hindi ng kusinong babae o lalaki. Third party si God. Kasi nga, should be the center of the relationship. Diba?
Bilang isang kaibigan, isa din po ako sa maligaya kay friend. Nakita ko po ang mga pasa niya. Nakita ko po na wala na siyang mata. Pero nakita ko din po kung gaano kumukutitap ang mga mata niya nung panahon ng COVID, nung panahon na nag-TikTok po siya. Siguro po dahil sa TikTok, lalong na-inlove si Echo.
Through love, serve one another. So, yun lang. Congratulations and best wishes. And always choose the way of love. I love you both.
Sa hirap at ginhawa, araw-araw.
Jericho, did you come here of your own free will to find yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Dito lang ako, pangako sa'yo, patunaw man ang mundo. Dito lang ako, pangako sa'yo, patunaw man ang mundo.
I love you so much, Shane. And you'll always be going to be the very best part of me. You're my best friend, my lover. And I could say it's safe to say that we're better than Popoy and Basha, Sets and Tenten, Aladdin and Jasmine, Romeo and Juliet. And now, this is my last warning. If you take one step closer, I'm never letting you go.
Ang ganda ng kasal ng pag-aasawa ay wala yan sa simula. Wedding is just one day, but marriage is a lifetime.
The path won't be easy and undefined, but one thing I know for sure, we will never be alone. You will never be alone. I won't exist, but we and us will. I love you and I will love you forever, and I will love you every day. Remember, and we're always coming. Love you.